Abusia ya share afiase a lot of prophecies na ene begu mountain so dodo na efa ya manyofo ho ene owo nkomhye a ekoso e wo man Ghana mu na bobre no aso so na aye prophecy fulfilled a nkomhye dodo na ena abaya meni apostle worship eye program wa ha e ka se de bia eba so ya men kai ga wo kan sa nkomhye no ewie anche ena plane crash ekosi ma nipa nwotwe efa mu ehwe this time around was signed the prophecy be at Rima a we pa what I say and grante be appeja our parliament house. Ama who said by election makumako 4 and I eba because some said this time around the direction aka ho akọ e de ma parliamentarians say wo betie na wo be ya anka be ye bebre e de ama wo ene wabo pinimi e wo studio ha ba mi say enkomhye sen enete aso Ghana na ye hui ye besan ehu bie mu ana e too much gh and when you go so we message so me subscribe to me so dey ache me why so am that nyame hwa wa nya ne say wie no now the notification bell na ka ho sa no upload me to on the first person ya won sa ebidika aka busu aka me ho na me say o me ma apostle akwaba na fi ye nim kom apostle mo akwaba
and I say
ye share ya che
ampa adom ne ho woro
de nyame ase apostle me say ebi prophecy ebi
yes yes
niye ye hwe ase afi apostle ase afi mu nyete ase afi mu oya ewo na doso dodo na wa sign the fufu assembly boom say o say enkrante bi apeja of parliament.
Yes, the sword, that is the sword has been lifted again.
Okay,
Meaning about here, we are the holders of the counsel of God. And now adebi ebesi wo hona mu bia so na they can see osunsun. So when we talk about the spiritual one and not what you are saying, that is why we see the things what is not happening yet. But obesha no, na emready true, na isi. Are you getting me?
okay.
We several things that we have said. I witness it. I spoke about the big shock that Ghanaians never expected. Do Ghanaians know that there will be a helicopter crash?
No, never.
Obi announced soon. Obi announced.
Remember what you said.
That is it. 6 July, and I'm then come share to her. Say, me who say helicopter na eden. It too.
Okay.
Na me who say see, and they say, and they be see, a dark Wednesday. Also, I gave a prophecy involving 2 ministers that NDC is going to lose 2 ministers. One more time, meaning I've given this prophecy from right after the election. Say 2025 Parliament in the year. There'll be going to be a lot of by-elections. Before the 4 years will come to an end, there'll be another 4 by-elections.
Apostle.
Yeah.
4.
Yeah. It is all hanging. And the sword has been lifted again.
Sana me bisa Bible mu asem ni bi se we no ne na anana gya na ebo no so obi anya ebo no se be anya me no be dedi nti me mi sa se sword na a lift no speaker mrahye bedwafo no clerk obi na e bibi e wo mrahye bedwam ho ntina sword yi apagya na
obi anya bibi aba parliament nyina ye. Mahama's government is under attack. Parliament nyina ye. And they are playing. It's happening. They are playing. They nearly killed the vice president. We gave the prophecy. They were joking with it. Senyese intervention ebe mo. Komu lose vice president. Me started say me plane crash as from February, and I make plane crash as him. They were joking with it. They were joking with it. They were joking with it. Yeshe yana. But they make country we. Parliament, they I've said many things. For Parliament. The sword has been lifted again for another seat. Before the year comes to an end. You see that I can't pinpoint anybody. It can be NDC, it can be NPP, because sword now a lifting can take anybody.
Okay.
Parliament in Ukraine. Until the leaders of parliament must start seeking for direction. Until much says, "Oh, parliament, we need more than for your parliament. We need money to be your parliament." Catch and say, "On pa humaybo." say? Because we can attend to. We have people in Panama who are Muslims. Omujidi woman no mobile. You won't go for occult or parliament. You won't go for inquiry.
Okay.
Are you getting me? And your woman so so they should also look for men of God, look for prophet. Either how you can God but look for a prophet.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's a man of God.
That is it. You can be going to a church, you have a pastor, you have a priest, you have whatever. Look for a prophet.
Okay.
Because the prophet in Bayamao also for Nyamao. Because the prophet will see what is coming.
Apostle Okabi said, Mampeni Amemo is under attack.
Yeah.
Na Ghana Fonso Vicky reference say Kamia say Abibia and this Aban Bebano. And you must say Taisisi. This year Kwayashe Wesisi and Tokwa cost to the extent say Ghana phobia a two cotona a walk of from so a woman refugees are one more to my dear Diane more money a day. And to say Okase is under attacker. It be so just say Abana yato yeno. NDC 4 far could quine so. A year near maybe. And no would you to me no. And it is hard enough by air dine one more car. And no can move in a year when it's half on a yard.
There be if you say I was with the NDC during the election. I was with them.
Okay.
Adia in Penifo no my ye in Yamia Council. They lead to a ye for them to win the election. It was God. Everything was God. Say obi individually no no ko bibia ko bibia. I don't know about it. Mean to mean unity.
Okay.
But say when it come to the president, when it come to the government, when it come to the leaders, some of us we're going from region to region with them.
Okay.
Constituency to constituency with some of them. And we know how that is why you need to make a figure. That is why you need to make the regions will win. Because we're with them.
Okay.
Because this is what God has said, and that is what has happened. But Bible says Ebra Balaam. It won't say Israel for no. Or the Moko Balako. And no catch us among them, mammy. Do me one mammy. No among form quine. No one say if you say, see a jaw moi. Ombe conkai. See a jaw moi. Ye beba power betche. Into young for woman co. Aye, obi ho, na nipa nye den. And curse woman. Na on say woman no my. That is what is happening to NDC.
Oh, okay. To be in such an equals when people know us.
That is it. The elephant is behind it.
Apostle say come for one your best come say cronim one about
that is it.
Ain't it say
anything on Refi say the sort they have engaged in Morocco, which in Sudan, the sort that has been engaged against Parliament. Refi somebody on call with you. That is it. Someone can say, this side here, in Kamuma, this side is safe. They say Parliament. Nti se so na eba obi a onye den oni ahun Bible. No sunsun ye mere bia no na asile no. That is why he's touching everybody. Yes. Ti uni mo bi o Parliament a catch and say D4 no shon command bem no. O se on pa ahun Bible. On pa ahun Bible. I hear na me the green book by and I make kind say asante man wo ye kese a ebekoso. Tell me kind na bibia nsi yo. Na me say asante man wo ye kese bi a eba. And I saw a funeral in the Ashanti Kingdom. And then I goes. Thank you. Commission matrato in this green book. Efa Apostle Joseph. Any penny ba kwa misa account no. Ni nyina wa ha. Yes. When I saw Apostle Joseph, when I saw the Kantanka group, and when I saw the Christos Afo group doing a funeral, a big funeral, and when I look and I saw the man going, and when I asked him where are you going, he said, I've finished my work here, I'm going to the other side. And I saw him cross a river, and the man was gone. Every prophecy is here. including another one that is about to happen.
A year be.
Yes.
Penny.
Yes. I won't show it public, but I can show it to you.
Okay.
I won't show it public. But when it comes to, in this book, we have a place that we call individual prophecies. When I come to the individual prophecy, I can show that one to you. All right. So this is where individual prophecies are. Now, you see, Apostle Kojo for the what kind of will be so bit me a kind.
Okay. I saw the whole Crystal Asafo Church.
Yes.
And Kantanka group. In a big funeral, and when I looked,
yes,
I saw Apostle Kojo Safo going on a path.
Yes.
When I asked him where is
he going?
He said, my work has come to an end, so I'm going to the other side.
I'm going to the other side.
And I saw him cross a river.
Yes.
And the man is gone.
That is it. Then we come to Mpachome Mudio.
Okay.
Mesero.
I saw the
dot
waving the people of Ghana.
What do you think?
Oh, beautiful.
Yes.
And you feel munye crowd, dear, who you machine. Let's have you munye.
Oh, we've started. We've Ghana for. Or send him Rasu. Or send him Rasu, or no Dinkra.
Mimi said, oh, my Ghana soon to Mahini because Penny Apostle Kojo Safo dane toye e din fo bebre na na beka sache say papa ifia wa fiwi Ghana edrusu
yeah
na e din ba ko esa ka Apostle Kojo Safo so no so we din modu ye
yeah emodo
enti mi say sunsun mu Ghana hini ejina sabre
Ghana is I wonder why these things are happening under this government. So that's here, but a idea is and you said this government is the one. That's what this one. When it comes to the parliament, when it comes to Mahama's government or whatever is happening, that one is politics.
Okay.
But when it comes to these ones, say they are under this government, you know, Daddy Lumba, you know, just was gone. Apostle Kojo Safo has followed, and the next one that is coming, which I've showed you, which is also coming, also is about to follow. You know, and in Mahama's government, Mahama is also going to bury a former president. So when I look at all these things, you know, a lot is going to go on. A lot is going to go on.
And then I say a dear man penny beats me because I feel a man penny as it was soon do.
And Bible.
Was soon do.
And Bible. And Bible. Pie. Share, they need intercessors. They need intercessors.
Okay.
They need, even if they have to pay some people to say, this is your work. Don't do anything. Just pray for this government. Yours is to just wake up in the morning. We are giving you this hall. When you wake up, just come here. Every month, we are giving you 20,000 as your salary. They should do it. And they should look for good prophets. Not prophets who are around them just taking money, just cannot see anything. People who don't know what is about to happen. People who don't know any direction. People who cannot see any vision and just walking around them. That is not the kind of prophet you need. They don't know what is coming. You are there and the things are happening to you. And one more client says with you. You catch them a mobile, no, not penny for bear feature, coach, say, sir, a different kit where you are say idiot. You know, you see, can no more person don't mind them. Money?
Then they say, come and come to more family.
Me never. Me, by the mercies of God, some of us, I am often and Yamama, across your 40s,
Okay.
So you can't call us a different kit. I've been giving prophecy from 8 years. Me see much. Imagine what shall go from the age of 8 till this age. And not failing in prophecies. Many much me regions, manje musika. And they are measure mun come me piska. I was able to help you win power. I didn't charge you. I didn't come for money. When you came to power, I've never been to anybody's office. Ever since NDC came to power, I've never been to anybody's office. Obi also whom you on office or make. Even the MPs have helped. who are even close to me. Some of them 3 months now I've not called them. You won't see my number on your phone. You won't see my call. No, I don't have that time. We have sources. It is not your money. If you bless us, hallelujah. But we are not doing what we are doing because of your money. God has given us grace. Nations are helping us. People are there for us. God has given us men who are standing with us. Are you getting me? Okay. And I want to tell you that my prophecy about Nana Jane, the prophecy I give since 2021, say Obeba Beye vice president, but she won't finish her term. That prophecy is still there. It will still come to pass. It's still hanging. So by 2026,
okay,
I don't see her in her office.
By so I resign.
2026.
And I BBS.
2026. I'm going to crab and by 2026.
Apostle, what can be before a man penny a Lordina Mahama?
Yeah. In a vision,
okay.
Medina anaju de shom. And I'm a vampire. And I am a semia de biachro. The moon is a mammy dina menake sie bianoa and kofobi pese omupiano too. May the basic wa. And this is for empire bomano. And Pamo my bomber. And this is penny for into an more mamino.
A man penny.
Yes.
First lady.
Yes. Ujina mraka sie biano. I pesi a piano too. I'm an akasia pa.
Apostle, your brand economy say, me know your program. And Mal can be for the green port.
Thank you.
Ninja make of Faban and says, when you trust our video, so NDC for chairman, I said, you get it.
Yeah.
The video be circulated.
Thank you.
And Tontum sounded the actually. I feel the stress in the video, no corner. Ghana fortress, it is alleged. Say, or person be pray. Now, yet to the swab.
Some I can't tell that.
And I was all say, as a back port never.
Yes.
Say,
Or reason the pot is going to break. Because ono na ye, Obia on city with the Lord. Only the counsel of God. Only the echoes in the court of heaven. I won't want there from afar, or your prophet, but I want there from the fourth dimension, or the dimension of light, and that's a dimension of time. Because when you stand there and you look, the person you see is a Sedun Ketia. I just say the counsel of God. I just say what is in the court of heaven.
Okay.
So in the court of heaven, when you look at it from the vision, you see a Sedun Ketia. But in the court of heaven, if a Sedun Ketia come, the pot will break. Because he is the rod holder. I didn't know DNA. I didn't know now because any Mahama Nikra party no. A Sedun Ketia Nikita party no. The green pot in Kita Mahama, the rod in Kita Mahama. Asidun Ketia is the Moses of the NDC.
Okay.
And then there is a Moses here. Moses says, "Oh, could you know Kunumubiana?" As a Moses copy ponoso. No pijanensa. Emma, Nenko fire then. Say, Ujain and Satu no so by Kwambe. Thank you.
We will say, Boba.
Boba, some culture say confusion is about to happen. Confusion will come in the NDC. A big confusion because of personal ambitions.
I say because I say, "Woman, you're in terms of because some
first year, a big confusion is coming. A big city here. A big confusion is coming because of personal ambitions. And also, they are losing power. See, they need to sit with the prophet.
Okay.
For the prophet to tell them this one, the leaders, including the president, including Asidun Ketia, including Julius Debra, including Harun Idisu. And Harun Idisu is going to be the Cyrus that God is going to bring together. Okay? If there's a Muslim that God wants to rule this country, it is not Baumia. It's Harun Idisu. Because God will bring him as the Cyrus to fulfill an agenda, to fulfill a purpose. Maybe you know.
But that's a people, so only from Hokra.
Yes, on your mind.
Taking a son, so Bebamukran or bear running mates, their mobi.
Or no, dear, no. He's not supposed to become president at once. He's supposed to become a vice president before becoming president.
Okay.
Akoyese we Sami Jemfi. Sami Jemfi. So be catch us Sami Jemfi as a so be president at once. Nipa no hu ade ye. Where the person is seeing the thing from, he will mislead him. Sami Jemfi is supposed to become the general secretary of NDC. That is his path. Obia, it says obey president direct. He's not supposed to become vice.
Finance minister.
Yes. He has to be in finance and then become president direct. I know the path of every. I can tell you everything. I can tell you things.
Okay.
Everything is here. I know everybody. I know everybody. I can put them one by one, line them down, and tell you what everybody, every one of them, I can tell you. Because I sit with the Lord at the council. I know what is in the court of heaven. Inti ya mpaye.
Okay.
Inipa for me who omo office 2026. The first one Makachiro, Vice President Nanaji. Second one, IGP Yohono. And a third one, the new CJ Bafo Bonnie. Some go for me as a way. 2026, I'm not seeing them in their office. NDC must rise up and pray. I am seeing another big funeral coming. Thank you.
Apostle, best I be never be such a big way bits me. I never see a Krobi so as a kajabi, a becan, a jabitaha, and a brema crime. Your commodity is too much. So, comment our conversation for them. With me, as subscribe to the so say all the social media handles no power too much GH. All subscribe or no like you know, share. Now we have been so any be at the dark gold, your best.